how to sell your designs on Canva. So hello guys and welcome back to today's video. To be able to create designs and be able to sell them on Canva, you're going to have to be a creator. You can easily become a creator by going to canva.com/creators. And over here, you're simply going to click on become a creator. And you're going to click on apply over here. Now, over here, you're simply going to enter what you are or what your current status is. So let's say I'm a designer over here. So let's click on continue. You're basically just going to enter what are the different things that you create. And then over here, let's say entry level, continue. You're going to enter all the necessary information about yourself. And as you can see here, we will be able to earn money to our section over here. So now you're simply going to enter all of your information over here that are necessary. Now, upon being able to be a creator in Canva, you can now simply create designs of yourselves or create your templates and your designs, and you will be able to sell them as a creator in Canva for people to use in Canva. So simply fill this out and click on submit, and you should be able to have an application for Canva, and you should be able to just wait and receive it on your email upon the status of your application. So if you want to be able to be an amazing creator, consider clicking the link in the description below to check out the free 30-day free trial of Canva Pro. So that's basically it guys. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.